Hi guys, so just out with the Sony A1 100 to 400G Master and just filming this otter here at 120 frames per second in 4K, slowed down to 25%, so it's a little bit slow. Obviously it gives it a nice smooth feeling, and he's just loving life there, enjoying the sunshine. A1 100 to 400G Master, performing lovely. I'm not a wildlife photographer as such, and a couple of little mistakes here. One was the autofocus. I still had in sort of center rather than wide or zone, so it kind of knocked off a little bit there in a couple of spots, but it soon hunted back into place. Just watching the heron, very wary of the otter there. As you can see, he moves pretty straight away. Apparently an otter will not hesitate to literally kill then eat a heron. And I thought, okay, that's kind of interesting. Just before the heron obviously came in, flew in, and it was behind the trees, and I just shot a couple of shots there. And you know, these are 100% cropping, by the way. So yeah, I thought, yeah, first sort of decent wildlife shot with the A1, which is, you know, very pleasing. Just watching it, how it was autofocusing and me messing around, experimenting and whatnot. And he landed on that fence there, and then headed back over to where the otter was. And yeah, eye autofocus working on the heron there, no trouble at all, and on the otter. He hid in the trees, so a lot of the pictures I'm actually shooting through the trees. There's a lot of mess in the back. You can see the bokeh's a bit weird, and that's because there's branches in front of me, and then like so, and obviously in front of the heron. So to get these shots, some of these shots like this one here, the head isn't particularly sharp because there's a branch in the way. So but yeah, just experimenting with the high plus mode, you know, so up to 30 frames per second. There are a couple of duplicate frames in here because I'd processed a couple of the shots, so you may see them change colour slightly or whatever. That's just me forgetting to remove one of the pictures. But yeah, really pleased on how well it works. Like they say, a lot of these are heavy croppings, just so you can kind of see if they're sharp or not. So there might be a slight bit of pixelation depending on how this renders, I don't know. Heron coming straight at me. Camera didn't miss a shot, it was absolutely fine. But yeah, really cool there. As you saw, a couple of extra frames there, but yeah, just really pleased on how well the camera works, how quickly it works, and how quickly it clears that buffer onto that CF Express card. That's well worth its money. Just really pleased. I just thought I'd show you the video, guys. There's the otter having a little bit of a stalk around looking for food. But yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button, little notification bell as well. Any questions about the A1 or the RX10 Mark IV, A7R3, A7R4, and all the other sort of Sony cameras you know I might have used, feel free to leave comments below. I've got a lot to learn. Keeping up with animals is not as easy as you'd imagine. So yeah, I need a bit more practice. But it was the first sort of spring shoot I've done, I suppose, with some animals. So yeah, really pleased. But yeah, so I'll see you soon.